So, this is my first YouTube video. Yeah, finally happened. I finally decided to make a YouTube account. It's been an idea of mine, like, for a long time, and a lot of people are like, when are you gonna start a YouTube channel? And I'm just like, I don't know when I'm gonna start one. Like, I'm kind of busy right now, like, school. Like, I literally have an AP test on Monday. I haven't studied for it, you know? So I decided I was gonna start one today, now. I start one on this crappy camera I have. That's our family camera. You know, so if the volume sounds terrible, sorry. The video quality's terrible, sorry. My editing's bad, sorry. Like, I've never done this before. I've edited like 1 minute videos on my makeup account at _ makeup at Jillian _ don't go follow it. This is my look I did. It's like a bronzy, cut creasy wing, like a pinky lip, you know, the huge. A lot of people have done it. I just wanted to keep it low-key for my first look because I just wanted to, I don't know, I just wanted to start low. Like, start it low, and so I can only raise from here. So I really hope you all enjoy this tutorial. I don't know how it's gonna be, how I'm gonna edit it like, so I hope it turns out good. And please watch it and like it, and probably put a lot of work into this. I don't know how long I'm gonna be editing this video. So yeah, thanks for actually coming to my channel from all the links I told y'all to go to. If you came from my makeup account, Snapchat, whatever I posted this on, just don't know where I'm posting this at. Thanks for coming to my channel, and please enjoy the video. See y'all soon. I'm first going to start off with doing my brows. I feel like that's like what I like to start out with, because like in case I mess up, I can just like, you know, wipe it off and it's like fine. You know, it's really not fine, but you know, whatever. So let's just go ahead and start with my brows. I'm going to start off with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. Focus on that. Chocolate. I don't know if you can see that, but I love using this stuff. I just feel like it makes my brows look super fancy or whatever. So I have this Morphe brush. It came in a collection I got for Christmas. It just has that end like that and the spoolie end, and that's what I use to do my eyebrows. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Just finished my brows. They're looking decent, I guess. I don't really know. Sorry if you see me like looking off, because I have the little like viewfinder up there, and I'm like trying to like, I like to look at myself, and I don't know why. Well, I mean, I'm a little narcissistic, but who isn't, you know? Okay, so to cover my brows, I'm gonna use some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral with a unique cream shadow brush, and I like using that. I used a different brush at one time, but I just like using this one because it's more, it's softer, I guess. So let's just go ahead and do that. I'm gonna zoom y'all in. Okay, now that I'm here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some of this concealer on my eyes as a like eyeshadow primer base or whatever to put on my eyeshadow. So yeah. And I also use this little Morphe brush. I don't know what it's called. Like I said, I got all these Morphe brushes from a collection. They don't have the numbers or names on them, so I'm like, eh, whatever. But it looks like this. Just has like a kind of bristled. It's like firm. That's what I'm gonna use to smear this concealer out. Now I'm going to use my City Colors contour palette. I got this in my Ipsy bag probably like January or February, I don't know. So I'm going to use this white color, which I obviously have dug into, in the shade Highlight. So I'm just going to use that to set the concealer. I'm going to be using my very first Morphe purchase, my lovely 35O. She has been through a lot, obviously. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's a 35. Like look, it even has like the old name on there. Like it's so old fashioned. Like it's so vintage. Oh my god. And we're going to be using this Morphe brush. Oh my gosh, can we just take a moment to look? First of all, it broke, so we have tape holding her together. Cute, really cute. And there's some like paint, probably from like a crazy look I did a while ago. I don't really know. And it's a little bit yellow from a look I did like last night. So let's see. The first shadow I'm going to be using is probably this brown right here, right there, as a transition. Let's get it popping. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to take this more doe-footed one, Morphe brush. Again, I don't know the names, I just know it's from Morphe, sorry. And I'm going to be going into this shade right here. And I think for this one, I'm going to be more focused on like the corner, like my outer corner and up. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna be going into probably this brown right here. Right there. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna be going into, yet again, this brush I used to cut out my brows. Right here. Into the Tarte concealer again, and I'm going to do a little, like a half cut crease kind of. Not going to go all the way, but just halfway. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm going to go into this unique brush to like kind of like, what's the word? Dids, I think? I don't know. I'm just going to take this shade. I'm going to take this lightest shade right here to set that white. So, I'm going to be going into, actually I got this in my Ipsy bag, like, I don't know how long ago, probably forever ago. It's a City Color Cosmetics Shimmer Shadow in the shade Cheers to Life. It's like a bronzy orange. I don't really know how to explain it. I love it. The pan is so big, like, girl, it's bigger than my eye, and I have huge eyes, so I'm going to be using that more on the center of the crease, and then I'll show you what I'll do in a minute. I'm going to be taking a color from the Morphe 35O palette, this shade right here. I have dug into her a lot. Probably can't see it because of the lighting, but girl, she is about to hit pan soon. So I'm going to be filling that in more to the inner corner. Hey, yay! So now that we're done with that, I'm going to do some liner. I don't know if I want to film me doing liner because it kind of takes a quick minute, so I might do that off camera, but when I'll be back, I'll have a pretty wing, hopefully. Okay, so I kid you not, that took me like 1 minute to do, and really was not expecting that, but yeah, there's my wing. Zoom out in a little bit. There she is. Oh my god. Yep, see all my hair, isn't that pretty? My face is so red, I love it. But yeah, there it is. Pretty simple. I might touch it up a little bit, but okay, this is way too close. Okay, so yeah, that was it close up, and I use the L'Oreal Paris, the Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner in the shade, I'm guessing black. Black, yeah. That's what it looks like. I really like it. Lately I've been using the Ciate London one that I got in my Ipsy bag, but it's like running out. I'm so sad, so I forgot about this little gem I had, so I've been using it lately. Alright, now I'm going to pop on some Lexi Lash. Please don't clock me. I know they're not sticking to the thing. They look like that. I love the packaging though. It's like tufted. Oh my gosh, it's like so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna pop these off. These are the style Flossy. Super cute. So I'm gonna take one of those babies. And I have the Duo eyelash adhesive. Focus on that. Focus on that. I'm just warning y'all. Smells terrible. 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 But it works pretty good, so you know, it's fine. So let's pop these babies on. So I'm gonna do my other eye off camera. I'll be back momentarily. Okay, so I just finished my right eye. Yeah, so let's move on to the face. What I always recommend to do right when you're doing your face is to move your hair far away from your face, because the feeling of getting your hair stuck in wet foundation is disgusting. So I have these Sephora pink little clips I got for Christmas from my mama, and I really didn't think I needed them until like I started using them, and I'm like, why haven't I had these all of my life? Like, they're perfect for me. So we're just gonna clip our hair back and let's go. I already moisturized earlier, so my face is already like soft and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to foundation. So the foundation I'm going to be using first is the Lorac Perfection Foundation SPF 20. Okay, looks like this. This is a new bottle. I've been using my old bottle for as long as I could till I completely ran out, because like I don't want to waste the money that this costs. So yeah, it's in the shade PR3. Oh my gosh, y'all look at that. That is triggering me. Why is it not in the middle? It's fine, it's fine. So I'm going to be taking the foundation on my damp beauty sponge. So what I like to do is I just like to put it on my face like this. I don't know why. I just don't like having it on my hand because I don't want to worry about cleaning it up later. I'd just rather it already be in my face, and I really don't want to get this dirtier than it already is. So let's just go ahead and go with it. Okay, now I'm going in again with my Tarte concealer in the shade Bare Neutral. I'm going to be using the white in the City Colors palette to set my concealer. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal powder in the shade W4. Thought that was W3. Oh yeah, I forgot. I went to Ulta to get W3 and they were out, so I had to get a shade darker. So this looks darker on me. Sorry. So I'm going to be using a big, fluffy Morphe brush to put this all in my face. So now I'm going to be going into the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in the shade Park Avenue Princess. I also got this in my Ipsy bag forever ago. I stopped using it for a while, but then I was like, oh, I'm going to start using this guy again. So we're going to be using it. And I'm going to be using a Sigma 103 brush for the contouring. So now, I'm going in with my all-time favorite highlighter, and I know you've heard about this highlighter. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills collab with Amrezy. Girl, this highlight, like, won't even focus, so blinding, freaking love it. I'm going to be taking this It Cosmetics fan brush to highlight. Again, spraying that. And we're just going to go in. Girl, yes, yes. It's so pretty, I'm living for it. Better be focused on me. You better be focused on me. And for lips today, I'm going to be using the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dusty Rose. Looks like that. Super pretty. I got it at Kohl's for like super cheap. I was like, okay, I gotta pick that up. Oh my gosh, it smells like cake. So yeah, this is the finished look I did. I hope y'all liked it. I really did like it. It's just simple, you know, cute, like if you want to go out with your friends but you want to look extra with the lashes and everything, you know, go for it, girl. And I know you have a palette that has a brown and like a shimmery color. Like, come on now. I know you got one. This is the finished look. I hope y'all liked it. Please, please, please subscribe, like, comment, do whatever, like share my video, tell people like, oh my gosh, you know that makeup girl Jillian who like is so extra in the most and like all that? Yeah, she has a YouTube channel, and be like, oh my gosh, yeah. So yeah, like I don't really know what to say because I've never done this before, so yeah, thanks for watching, and I really hope y'all stay tuned for another video. I don't know when another video will go up, so yeah, thanks for watching, love y'all.